The switch to lightning-fast 60W cable charging is one of the most exciting speculated changes for the eagerly awaited Galaxy S26 Ultra. However, a recent leak suggests that the truth may not be as revolutionary as many fans had imagined. According to a recent Weibo post published by Android Authority, reputable tipster Ice Universe disclosed that a 30-minute charge could raise the Galaxy S26 Ultra's battery level from 0% to roughly 75 to 80%. While it is undoubtedly not a letdown, the performance is just somewhat better than that of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Using a 45-watt Samsung charger, the S25 Ultra reached 71% in 30 minutes during our tests. But Ice Universe offers a significant twist. According to him, official figures are typically conservative. He boldly claimed in a follow-up comment that real results could boost the S26 Ultra's battery to an astounding 90% in just 30 minutes. Although it's unclear if this actual data is based on actual prototype testing or is still just hypothetical, it would be a significant advancement. What else is the Galaxy S26 Ultra likely to offer? Although Samsung is currently keeping quiet, there are a lot of rumors circulating. Although it appears that the design will mostly stay the same, there may be some major internal improvements, particularly in the area of the camera. According to leaks, the phone might have a strong 200-megapixel zoom camera with 5x magnification and perhaps the reintroduction of variable aperture technology, giving enthusiasts of mobile photography more creative alternatives. Another unexpected modification is that Samsung might remove the digitizer layer from the screen to create room for a CH2 magnetic ring. If accurate, this suggests that, like the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the S Pen might not be supported right out of the box. According to reports, Samsung is creating a brand new S Pen that will be available for purchase and functions without the need for a digitizer. Given Ice Universe's impressive history, there's good cause to be interested. Naturally, though, it's best to maintain a cautious sense of optimism until official confirmation is received. Regarding the launch schedule, Samsung has yet to disclose an official release date. However, if history is to be believed, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will make its big premiere at a Galaxy Unpacked event in January, and then it will be made available. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.